Hello, and welcome to Talkie Talk English, the podcast that shows you how small steps can lead to big progress. I'm John.
And I'm Robbie. So glad you're joining us. Today, we're talking about a topic that can change your entire language learning journey. How just 10 minutes a day can completely transform your English.
You know, a lot of people feel overwhelmed by learning a language. They think they need to spend hours and hours every single day. They might start with a lot of energy, study for 2 hours on Saturday, and then feel too tired to do anything for the rest of the week. This is a common problem, but it's not the right way to learn.
That's exactly it. The secret isn't the amount of time you spend. The real secret is consistency. Think of it like going to the gym. Would you get stronger by working out for 10 hours just once a month? No. You get stronger by working out for 20 minutes 3 times a week. Your brain is the same way. It learns and remembers things much better through small, consistent efforts.
The power of 10 minutes. So, what is the science behind this? It's a concept called spaced repetition. Our brains learn best when we see information many times over short periods, not just one time for a long period. Those 10-minute daily sessions help move new words and grammar from your short-term memory into your long-term memory. It's truly amazing how effective it can be.
And the best part is that it's not intimidating. A 10-minute goal is so small that it's hard to say no to. You can find 10 minutes almost anywhere in your day, while you're drinking your morning coffee, on your lunch break, or right before you go to sleep. It's a habit you can actually keep.
8 powerful ways to use your 10 minutes. Now, let's get into the details. What can you actually do in just 10 minutes? Here are 8 simple and powerful ideas you can try.
1. Active listening. This is a great way to improve your comprehension. Find a short English podcast, like 6-Minute English from the BBC, or a short video clip on YouTube. On the first listen, just try to get the main idea. On the second listen, try to find just 1 or 2 new words or phrases. That's all.
2. Read aloud. Find a short article or a blog post and read it out loud. Why is this important? Because it connects your eyes, your brain, and your mouth. It helps you get used to the rhythm and sound of English.
3. Write 3 sentences. Take a notebook or your phone and just write 3 simple sentences about your day. It could be about what you ate for breakfast, a movie you watched, or a person you talked to. Don't worry about grammar mistakes. Just let your thoughts flow in English.
4. Practice shadowing. Find a short sentence from a movie, a podcast, or a news clip. As you listen to the speaker, repeat the words exactly at the same time. This technique, called shadowing, helps you improve your pronunciation and accent in a really amazing way. 5. Learn 3 new words. Dedicate 10 minutes to learning just 3 new words. For each word, find its meaning, and then try to use it in a simple sentence. This is how you can consistently grow your vocabulary. 6. Review old words. Our brains forget things quickly. Use 10 minutes to review the words you learned over the past few days. This helps to lock them into your memory so you won't forget them. 7. Focus on 1 grammar rule. Instead of opening a whole grammar book, choose just 1 grammar rule, like the past tense or present continuous. Do just a few simple exercises on that 1 rule. This helps you master 1 topic at a time. 8. Think in English. This is a simple but very powerful mental exercise. For 10 minutes, think about the things you are doing in English. For example, say to yourself, "I am cooking dinner," or "I need to buy some milk." This trains your brain to process thoughts in English, making it a lifelong habit. This isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. If you miss a day, that's okay. Just start again the next day. The best way to make this a habit is to connect it to something you already do. We call this habit stacking. For example, after you brush your teeth in the morning, you can read your short article. Or after you get into your car, you can listen to your 10-minute podcast. By connecting it to an existing habit, you make it much easier to remember and to do. So, if you've ever felt too busy or too overwhelmed to learn English, we hope this episode changes your mind. Just 10 minutes. That's all you need. The results might surprise you.
Thank you for listening to Talkie Talk English. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment to tell us what you think.
Until next time, keep practicing